Hĩndĩ ya mambura ma gũkũngũĩra mũthĩ wa aruti wĩra mũthenya wa ira, President Uhuru Kenyatta nĩarokĩrĩire munini wake William Ruto nĩ kũmũruta mahĩtia igũrũ rĩgiĩ thogora wa mũtũrĩre handũ ha kũmũteithia gwetha kĩhonia.
Badala ya kuja kunisaidia kuniambia niko na mawaidha hii na njia hii na njia hii, njia ambaye tunaweza tuokoe watu yetu wakati tunagojea mambo haya yaishe, wewe uko kwa soko na matusi.
Watongoria amwe kuma ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja makionekana kunyita mbaru mũtongoria wa bũrũri.
Ninamwambia Ruto lazima mpatie Rais Uhuru heshima. Ruto must respect the President of the Republic of Kenya. He cannot undermine the authority of the President of the Republic of Kenya, particularly when he's the Deputy President.
Senator wa Siaya James Orengo ni ulitie Ruto yeherie gĩturwa-inĩ kĩa munini wa president akimũkĩrĩra nĩ kwagira munene wake gĩtĩo.
I am challenging Ruto that if he's man enough, he should resign and let Uhuru have peace in 3 months and Raila Amolo Odinga and ODM.
Baba mwema, baba wa mbinguni.
Kukiri uguo, thutha wa president kurekereria mĩario ĩno mũthenya wa ira, ikundi kĩa atongoria ngwatanĩro-inĩ ya Kenya Kwanza nĩ marateteire munini wa president makiuga mũtongoria wa bũrũri nĩwe wa mũtunyũkithirie wĩra wake na kũhe mũndũ ũngĩ amũteithagie.
In the second term, there is nobody who is new in Jerusalem. Tunajua ya kwamba deputy president hajakuwa deputy president wako katika term ya pili. Your deputy president has been Raila Amolo Odinga.
When did it happen? When was there a last full cabinet meeting? Haya ni maswali ambayo sasa tumefika, sasa tumebaki na siku less than 100 days.
Hawa bunge pale bungeni si ndio general yako wewe kama unaongoza kule. But you don't throw them away and expect that things are going to solve themselves out. So I think it's late in the day for people to start complaining now. Yeah, it is late. It is very late.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũmbi wa Shege.